Spoštovano občinstvo, dragi ljubitelice in ljubitelji slovenskega nogometa, prav lep pozdrav še z komentatorskega mesta v Stožicah. Ja, pred nami je torej eden največjih športnih dogodkov pri nas, veliki derbi med Olimpijo in Mariborom. Tofo?
Ne, Žiga Repas. Ja. Žiga Repas, absolutno presenečen.
Ja, res je.
Zdaj pa, ja, vidimo v napadu.
Zdaj priložnost, Iličić je pri žogi, to je vselej nevarno. Iličić do strela, pa zadev je.
V tej srednji coni, kako priti, praktično ti značilni mariborski, to, kar sedaj vidimo.
Ja, to
na stran,
podaja.
Tako, na stran pa igra 2 proti 1 z to bočno globino, malo bočno globino. Potem je Maribor leta in leta bil znan.
Trenil Žorž Silva, takoj ob njem Grlić. Dolga podaja spet za Floruca, obilo dela bo danes imel Luka Krajnc in prekršek Floruca v napadu. Žoga je seveda v mreži. Talison, Maribor do žoge, morda tudi do kakšnega protinapada. Bina, na tleh je zdaj Žorž Silva, ali je prišlo do poškodbe Portugalca, Maribor pa v napadu prek Grlića. Očo pred vrata. Zdaj Milec skuša priti do žoge, do nje pa Kojić. Zdaj 3-3 akcija Olimpije, podaja za Floruca, Kojić. Strel Floruca in prvi strel v okvir vrat prav v zaključku prvega polčasa. Precej duelov sta imela zlasti za gostinom Tofom. Čakali bomo seveda na odzive iz obeh taborov po tem prvem polčasu tekme. Priložnost torej že v uvodni minuti nadaljevanja za Olimpijo ob tej prekinitvi. Podaja pred vrata, ker je precejšna gneča, seveda pa priložnost, toda brez večjih težav za Ažbeta Juga. Ostaja 0-0, tudi v drugem polčasu. Ali bo Očo dobil tole podajo Iličića na koncu? Da, kajti nekaj težav za Kovejo. Očo v sredino. Spet dovolj zanesljiva ljubljanska obramba, postrel Žige Repasa, priložnost. Kojić tam je skušal atraktivno, tudi malce nevarna igra.
Ja, mislim, da je zadev obraz. Poskusijo škaricami, da zadev obraz.
Upam, da je z Bondom vse v redu.
To je drugi rumeni karton.
Ja, drugi rumeni karton.
Evo, vse vidimo sedaj. Ja, videl, ja, močan udarec, moral bi videti, da je igra Mondo na žogu.
Zdaj priložnost za strel, Milec, Repas, Širvis se odločil za podajo, Sudani v skoku in brani Vidošek, prvi strel Maribora. Marcel Ratnik se pa pripravljal za vstop v igro. Nizozemec reda Bultam, zdaj nekaj težav v Sudani in ostaja 0-0. Iličić brez prekrška, Milec, dolga podaja Milca. Tako je, rdeč karton za Iličića.
Meni karton, ampak tu...
Poglejmo še enkrat.
Ja, tu je malce zakrival gospod, ki je bil v kadru, ampak verjetno, ja, malce ga je prijel.
Ja, 0-0, najbrž so v obeh taborih kar zadovoljni s tem rezultatom. Oboji so tudi z derbijem pričeli precej taktično, malce bolj previdno. Olimpija ostaja na vrhu lestvice, 32 točk, Maribor je zdaj izenačen s Koprom.
Za vami je prvi večni derbi tule v Stožicah, ste ga pričakovali z veliko mero nestrpnosti. Kako je bilo danes igrati v Ljubljani?
V bistvu sem komaj čakal, res lepo je bilo igrati, isto ogromno publike, kar je zelo dobro za slovenski nogomet. Nažalost, ne odnesemo domov vseh 3 točk, ampak mislim, da 0 zadaj, to je tudi velik uspeh.
V prvem polčasu ste zaustavili nevaren napad Olimpije, ko je prodiral Raul in skušal žogo podati. Mislim, da je bil tam Kojić, sam če se ne motim. Kaj ste takrat razmišljali? Storili ste prekršek in prejeli rumen karton, ampak verjetno tudi preprečili zadetek za napad.
Razmišljal sem, da ga čim prej položim na tla, po pravici. Bi ga lahko moče malo prej, ampak se nisem uspel in mislim, da je bil pameten prekršek.
Kako težko je bilo nadaljevati srečanje z rumenim kartonom?
V bistvu nismo si mogli, nismo uspeli si ustvariti nekih resnih priložnosti, moče eno za Sudanjem. Ampak ja, mislim, potem, ko smo ostali isto mi z 10, so se mogoče se je vse skupaj umirilo in smo tekmo privedli do konca.
Justas Lasickas, you just finished playing your 7th derby between Olimpija and Maribor. We could say you're becoming like an expert in these clashes. How happy were you with the performance of your teammates and yourself?
It's been a tough game. We've seen a lot of derbies and they're always like that. Rarely one team dominates. It's small details that decide the game, and today it was a lot of duels but not a lot of chances. So when we stayed in 10 men, we needed to be smart to try to keep our clean sheet, and I'm glad that we did it. Vida was amazing as always today, so it helped us a lot today, and it's not bad. It's not very good, but also not something too bad. We have a small break to recover now, and we move on.
You were subbed in as a result of a red card received by Govea. What did the coaching staff give you as instructions before coming in?
We needed to be smart to change our formation. Naturally, we're in 10 men now. We need to play a little bit different, a little bit more reserved, but at the same time we still wanted to go for counter-attacks to try to catch them off guard, and then we tried a few times. We had few chances for counter-attacks, but the main thing was to keep the clean sheet, and I made a few small mistakes that I'm not satisfied with, but Vida saved us, so I guess that's good.
We were able to see some Lithuanian flags during the game. You even went to greet some fans after it. It probably means a lot to you, but I wanted to ask you, did they come to support you or your international teammate, Pius Širvis?
No, these guys are actually my fans. I don't think they know a lot about Pius, but it's nice to have this support. I'm in Ljubljana quite a long time. I've been through good times, through bad times, through good times again. So it's changing very quickly. But to see the support of the fans, not only for me, for the whole team, for chanting the player names, the coach names, it's unbelievable. And I'm happy living in this moment in Ljubljana, in Olimpija, what we're doing, and we're gonna keep pushing. We're gonna try to deliver for the fans, and we'll keep going.
Gospod Boštjan Cesar, prvi večni derbi je za vami. Zaupajte nam, kako je to izgledalo skozi vaše oči ob robu igrišča in pa kako zadovoljni ste lahko z izkupičkom.
Lepo, res dobra atmosfera na tribunah, prvi derbi, pozitivno samo, tako da sem zelo vesel, da se tudi ta derbi končal.
Vaši igralci so prejeli veliko število rumenih kartonov že v prvem polčasu, nato pa rdeč karton za Olimpijo. Kako se vam zdi, da je ta izključitev spremenila potek srečanja?
Mislim, da smo že mi od prve minute drugega polčasa diktirali tempo, da smo bili na njihovi polovici, da smo imeli nekaj pol šanse, da prvih 10 minut drugega polčasa že pred rdečim kartonom smo res dominirali, da niso igralci Olimpije prišli do žoge. Tako da je pa res, da po rdečem kartonu smo še bolj stisnili jih, ampak to je bilo pričakovano, bili so zaprti in škoda, da nismo pointirali gol, ampak dobro, gremo nadalje in tudi pika je velika.
Le malo je manjkalo, da bi bil mož odločitve znova rezervist. Sudan je imel v 83 minuti tisto priložnost, ki mu je vrhunsko obranil vratar Olimpije. Je tudi vam tam malce zaostal dih? Če bi še 10krat udaril to žogo, bi šla v gol. Vidošek je izjemno že prvi strel obranil in to se je dvignil obranil še Sudanju, ampak nima veze, gremo dalje in bojo prišle tudi takšne tekme in takšne šanse še v bodoče. Mr. Sanchez, a tough game against a tough opponent. How happy were you with the result of the game?
Well, you asked me the result. One game like that, in these circumstances, at the end it's important that when you play 25 minutes with one player less against a very difficult opponent and they are not able to beat you in this moment, so this is positive. But I'm not happy because the circumstances we have to play here in Stosici is impossible to play the football we want to play. We have to try to adapt to this, but you see the ball is bouncing all the time, the players they have difficulties for the stability. The both teams is ugly football. I don't like this, so I can't be happy. I'm very happy for the spirit that our players they show, fighting till the end, defending and overcoming all the difficulties. But I hope we can fix this because it's not nice. From the result, okay, we dropped 2 points, but we didn't let one opponent to recover points with us, so this is also positive.
How much do you think the red card received by your player impacted the flow of the game in the continuing minutes?
Yeah, impact a lot. You saw how it changed the game. The game was very even, with moments that we took at the beginning for the both teams. It was very control game, I think, from the both parties. Happen very little things because also it's difficult to create football in these conditions. But the game was even. Then after the second yellow card we take, then the game changed on their side. They had this numerical advantage, but we did very good job in defense. We only conceded this action, in double action. The other we were able to defend very good and till the end.
You also managed to secure a point thanks to a great save by your goalkeeper in the 83rd minute. How did it feel? What was your reaction when you saw it?
We are used because we know that all of our players are there for the moment that the team needs them. So Vidosep is doing a very good season, and he has been in the moment that we need it. So we are very happy because all our players are showing that they want to contribute to the team.
The international break is here. You've been through a very busy, very tight schedule in the last month. Do the players receive a few days off now?
Yes, of course. Now they have days off. The international players, they don't have, but yes, they deserve. And I said already then that let's come after this break to try to repeat again the same strike we have done now with 6 wins and 1 draw. Should be nice strike again. So, but it's going to be very tough and difficult, but I'm very happy because the team is improving. Also, the team is showing the capacity to adapt to the difficulties. We have the difficulty with the pitch. Today we had the difficulties playing with 1 player less, and we don't drop, so continue like that.